how to enable Instagram story comments. Now, before doing the whole process, make sure that you're currently running the latest version of the application before logging in. Open up your Instagram app and log into your account. Now, enabling it is very easy. Just head out straight to your account settings in the top right portion. It's just going to be the three lines. Now just scroll down a little bit till you find these options or field that says how others can interact with you. Now go into comments, and then here you'll see a lot of options. This is where you can set up all the comments that you have from your end, even a post and reels, stories, and so on and so forth. Just go into stories, and then you can choose to set it as everyone or only the people you follow. Now, by choosing everyone or people you follow, will enable it. And that is how you enable Instagram story comments.